Hello, my artsy friends. In this video, we'll be learning the satin stitch. Let's jump in.
Starting with a water-soluble stabilizer, I printed on this and I cut it out. So I'm just sticking that on my fabric. I'm gonna come up through the back, down through the front. I'm splitting this centerpiece here. I do that a lot with satin stitches just to help keep me a little more even as I'm working. And I'm gonna come up again through the back, down through the front, right next to that first stitch. So these are essentially straight stitches that are side by side by side, and I'm going to keep them as close as possible because my goal here is to fill the shape. So the satin stitch is great for filling shapes. I would advise keeping them on the smaller side. If you have some larger areas, maybe explore the long and short stitch, but the satin stitch is great for filling in small areas and doing it fairly quickly. So I'm going to speed this up here. Again, I do like to split my shapes just to help keep it a little more consistent and keep my stitches from getting too wonky. And that's it. I'm quickly filling this in. This is our satin stitch. Check it out.
Thank you for stitching with me today. Be sure to download your free pattern sampler and guide wherever you're watching this lesson. I'll see you next time. Happy stitching!